In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Economic Calendar. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to Myfxbook. On the home page, look for the option labeled Economic Calendar and click it. This brings you to a dedicated page that presents a table of upcoming economic news events, laid out in a straightforward, trader-friendly format. What you'll see is a list of rows, each representing a scheduled data release or announcement. Along the top of the table are clear column headings that help you read the information at a glance. The date and time column tells you exactly when each event is set to be released. Keep in mind that times are displayed according to the site's default settings, so it helps to mentally align them with your local time zone when planning your day. Next, you'll notice a currency or country indicator. This shows which market is most likely to be affected by that event. For instance, you might see USD for the United States, EUR for the Eurozone, or GBP for the United Kingdom. This quick cue helps you focus on events relevant to the pairs or markets you're watching. You'll also find the event name, which describes the specific release, such as inflation data, employment figures, or central bank statements. Many calendars include an impact or importance marker, often color-coded, to signal how significant the release could be for market volatility. High-impact events can move prices quickly, while low-impact ones may lead to more modest reactions. To the right, you'll typically see three key numbers: previous, forecast, and actual. Previous is the most recent reported value for that event. Forecast is the market's current expectation. Actual is the number that gets published at the scheduled release time. Comparing actual to forecast gives you a quick read on whether the result surprised the market. Bigger surprises tend to trigger larger price moves. The table updates as time passes, so upcoming items move closer to the top, and recently released data will display with the actual figure once it's published. Many traders keep an eye on the next few hours of events to avoid being caught off guard by sudden volatility. It's a good practice to take a moment to note the high-impact releases for the day and plan your entries and exits with those times in mind. That's all there is to it. Go to Myfxbook, open the economic calendar, and use the table to stay informed about what's coming up. With a quick daily glance, you'll be better prepared and more confident heading into each trading session.